In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Hubspot with Xero. Before you begin, it helps to understand what this integration is meant to do. Hubspot is often used for managing contacts, deals, and marketing activities, while Xero is used for accounting and invoicing. By connecting them, you can keep your sales information and your accounting records more aligned. That way, the data you track in Hubspot can be reflected in Xero, which reduces manual work and helps keep things consistent. To start, open your Hubspot account and go to the Settings area. In most Hubspot interfaces, you can find settings in the top navigation or in your account menu. Take a moment to locate the section where integrations and connected apps are managed, because that is where the setup begins. Once you are in that area, you will look for a way to connect an external system, such as an app marketplace option or an integrations page. Next, search for the Xero integration within Hubspot's available integrations. The goal of this step is to find the official or supported Xero connector that will allow Hubspot to communicate with your Xero organization. While you search, pay attention to the integration name and the developer or provider shown on the listing. This helps you ensure you are selecting the correct connection method rather than something unrelated. After you find the Xero integration, select it to open the integration details. Then choose the option to install or connect the integration. At this stage, Hubspot will usually guide you through an authorization flow. This flow connects your Hubspot account to your Xero account so that the two systems can exchange data securely. Now you will be asked to authorize access to Xero. This is where you should carefully review what permissions are being requested. Authorization might prompt you to sign in to Xero if you are not already signed in, and you may need to confirm the connection. Take your time here. The most important part is ensuring that you authorize the correct Xero organization, especially if you have more than one business or company connected to your account. Once authorization is complete, return to Hubspot. The integration connection should now be visible in your Hubspot settings or connected apps area. This confirmation matters because it ensures the connection has successfully been established. If you do not see a connected status or if the integration is not listed, you may need to repeat the connection steps until the status updates. After the integration is connected, you need to configure the mapping so that Hubspot and Xero use the same structure for the data being shared. Look for configuration options related to invoices, customers, or accounting records. The exact fields can vary depending on the integration settings available in your workspace, but the idea is always the same. You should link Hubspot properties and objects to the corresponding places in Xero. To finish setup properly, you should check how the integration handles key objects. For example, you want to confirm which Hubspot record types will trigger an action in Xero, such as invoicing behavior. You also want to confirm what happens with billing details and whether the integration will create records, update records, or simply sync information. This is important because it controls how changes in Hubspot will affect your accounting side. Next, save your settings and run through any available checks or test options included in the configuration screen. If your integration provides a way to preview the results, use that. The goal of this step is to ensure the integration behaves as you expect, before relying on it for ongoing work. If something is misaligned, fixing it now is far easier than troubleshooting later when data is already flowing. After you confirm the configuration is correct, you can monitor the integration going forward. Keep an eye out for any status indicators or logs the integration provides. This helps you catch issues early, such as failed syncs or missing mappings. It also gives you confidence that the connection continues to work reliably as your account usage grows. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.